What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here behind me is my NC2 Miata, and if you missed the last video, definitely go check it out because we are putting a turbo kit on this thing, the Fab 9 GT turbo kit. We did a full unboxing with all of our parts and gave a brief overview of kind of what the plan is. But today, we've got a first in a series of 2 videos that I'm really excited about because it's easy, it's cheap, and it's cool interior mods. If you guys aren't aware, this is my NC2 Miata interior. I've got the Corbeau FX1 Pro, a Momo steering wheel with the Alex Engineering cruise control panel. We've got a short shifter, we've got some leather with red stitching, and of course we've got our Super Automotive Accessories door pulls, but here we could do a little more, and I think in our center console we could do a little bit more of a pop of color here and there while making the quality of the interior look even better. Which brings us to this. So right here, these are leather specifically for door cards, armrests, and then the center console armrest. Now, if you have an IL Motorsports center console insert thing, go down in the description below and find my email. Send me an email and I'll just send you out the spare stuff that I accidentally purchased. I have an IL Motorsports armrest leather, as well as the padding for both NC1 and NC2, I believe. So yeah, let me know if you need this because we're only gonna be using this today. And I know this is a small mod for one video, but I obviously show you guys everything that I do because the door cards are gonna be more of a specific install. I've got some sound deadening and things like that too. So we're gonna go like full door restoration kind of thing. But today, we're gonna do something simple and install an upgraded leather to our armrest. Now that our center console armrest is all taken apart, now I have an NC2 Sport, so yours will probably look a little different than mine, but basically taking this whole thing apart is just a plastic panel with just like a rubber, it's just like a rubber mat. It's not even real leather or anything, just rubber. So that's always been fun to stick my elbow on. And then the inner shell here, our little clasp, and then obviously everything else. So I want to double check that I make sure I'm doing everything correctly. By the way, these are from Redline. I'm sure you guys are familiar with them. They do steering wheel wraps. They do all sorts of leather upholstery work for Miatas. So pull up their instructions and then we'll just get down to business and getting this installed. All right, and I was kind of the guinea pig with this because after reading the instructions, it was clear that this is for cars who already have a leather cover. I added my cover on top of my rubber cover, which kind of wish I didn't do, but it's already done. It's a little bit thicker and more padded now. The issue I'm having is it doesn't latch, but when I tell you it's secure, it is secure. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, but it's pretty tight against the plastic, but you can still reach in and kind of grab your grab your stuff, which is good. So I'll still have a cup holder. And then normally I just leave this thing closed anyways. So from there, totally fine. So keep in mind, if you do order this, make sure you're ready to do some modification, because I had to cut and trim and glue things in place to keep it all together. But I'm happy with the way it turned out. I like it. I'm gonna throw it back in the car now and we'll show you the final product. Here it is, installed. I'm pretty happy with that. You can tell that there's genuine leather and then fake leather, but it's not that big of a deal to me. Like maybe once these wear out, I'll order a Redline shift boot and stuff, but for right now, I'm very happy with that. Just adds a little pop of color to the interior. And I know it looks a little weird. It almost looks like a little yellow on camera. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's all black. I don't know why it looks that way, but there we go. The interior is looking good. And next video, we will be redoing the door cards basically in the same exact manner, wrapping the insert, and then I'm going to try and adapt it to the plastic variation of the door pulls. So it should look the same, just a little bit more trimmed up. So that is gonna be it for me. This took a couple hours, not gonna lie, it was a little bit harder than I thought it was. Granted, easy in the grand scheme of things. You only need like some razor blades, some glue, you know, that kind of stuff, but it is a project. So if you try to do this on a leather wrapped center console, you should be fine and it should like be good to go. But if you were like me and adapting it to a NC2 sport trim or don't have the leather trim inside, then you're gonna be doing kind of the same thing I just did. So if you are new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more. Go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.